Hello friends, in this video we are going to show you the sight words. 6-letter sight words. Almost. A-L-M-O-S-T. Almost. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Follow. F-O-L-L-O-W. Follow. Letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Second. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos.